Hey, it's Don with the DIY Collaborative, and today we've got our friend WD-40, just an old rag. This one happens to be just an old sock that was retired, and I didn't want to throw it out. I've got it soaked with WD-40. We're out on our patio, got a patio umbrella, and I've already done the top of it. You can see how nice and clean it looks, but we just take this WD-40 and go in and do a simple coating, just kind of clean it up, rub it all down. And it might be easier to, in this case, to take it out, but we can get it done. But you can see there how it's kind of overall making it look better, and it's cleaning it up, and it helps protect it and just make it, makes it look better. Be sure and stop by our website, DIYcollaborative.com, and check out how WD-40 got its name. Uh, I'm not going to tell you any more than that, just something about that it has to do with the recipe or the formula. Thanks for stopping by.